Hello everybody, my name is Amit and you're watching Aptitude360.online. Do you know the difference between proscribe and prescribe, and are you aware of the fact that they both are coming from the same Latin root which is scribo, और उसी से बनते हैं ये ढेर सारे words. So let us get started and find out the difference between these two words. ये दोनों वर्ड आते कहाँ से हैं? ये दो के दोनों वर्ड्स आते हैं there is this Latin root जिसका मतलब होता है scribo, और स्क्रिबो का मतलब होता है टू राइट. स्क्रिबो का मतलब होता है टू राइट. बहुत सारे वर्ड यहां से बन सकते हैं, जैसे डिस्क्राइब. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ डिस्क्राइब? टू एक्सप्लेन समथिंग वेल इज कॉल्ड डिस्क्राइब. एंड देन यू हैव गॉट सब्सक्राइब. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सब्सक्राइब? Sub, this word sub is down. When you have to subscribe to a software, to some offer, you agree to all the rules and regulations. जैसे सॉफ्टवेयर वाले में क्या होता है, बिल्कुल लास्ट में जाते हो and then you say that yes I have read and I agree with all the rules and regulations. That's the meaning of subscribe. When you agree with something and you follow it, you promise to follow it, and then you have got script and maybe scripture. What's the difference between script and scripture? Script is a movie script, a fictional story. Scriptures are religious books. वो भी होती, ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि वो मनगढ़ंत कहानियां हैं, but then क्योंकि as of now we cannot provide any evidence to this, but then we keep this separate from script. So all the religious books are called as scriptures. So these are the words that you're understanding from this. And the third very good one out here is scribble. 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 3 घंटे के पेपर में 2 घंटे 30 मिनट के बाद में the way you start writing, वो क्या होता है? स्क्रिबल होता है. आप चाहते ही नहीं कि एग्जामिनर उसको समझ पाए. आप बस इतना चाहते हो कि एग्जाम आपको वो उसको ये लगे कि भाई समय कम था इसलिए ये ऐसे इतनी फटाफट लिख रहा है, कुछ ऐसा है. तो दैट्स द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्रिबल. डॉक्टर्स की जो हैंड राइटिंग होती है दैट इज कॉल्ड स्क्रिबलिंग. नाउ व्हाट डू वी मीन बाय प्रीस्क्राइब? प्री इज बिफोर. व्हेन डॉक्टर राइट्स समथिंग टू बी डन, जो आपको वो एडवाइस करते हैं, दैट बिकम्स प्रिस्क्रिप्शन. डॉक्टर्स का जो लिखा हुआ मेडिसिन वाला बिल होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रिस्क्रिप्शन स्लिप्स. सो जो आपको कहा जाए करने के लिए दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रीस्क्राइब, राइट? एंड जस्ट ऑपोजिट ऑफ प्री इज प्रो. प्रो को हाउ कैन यू टेक प्रो? यू कैन टेक प्रो एज प्रोहिबिट. If you are prohibited to do something, that means you are proscribed to do this. यानी आपको उस काम को करने से रोका गया है, राइट? जैसे गवर्नमेंट प्रोस्क्राइब कर देती है कोरोना के टाइम पे कि यू कैन नॉट मूव आउट ऑफ योर हाउस आफ्टर 10 PM. सो द गवर्नमेंट हैज प्रोस्क्राइब्ड अस ऑल टू डू दैट, राइट? करने से मना कर देना. एंड मे बी द 6th वर्ड आउट हियर कुड बी ट्रांसक्रिप्ट. Transcript. So what is transcript out here? Transcript is something that is produced as original document. वो original तो नहीं होता, बट जैसे अगर आप किसी कॉलेज में एडमिशन लेते हैं तो आपको बोला जाता है कि भाई आप पिछले जगह से उसको प्रॉपर उनके स्टैम्प के साथ में लगवा के आ जाओ. That's called transcript, right? So this is what we have learned from prescribe and proscribe. What is the meaning of indescribable? Now try to understand this. This is in plus D plus scribo. In means over here, in means not. So if you cannot explain something, that becomes indescribable. If you can explain something, that becomes describable, right? That's the difference between describable and indescribable. Now these are the Latin roots that we have used over here. We have used scribo. From scribo you have got all these words: proscribe, script, scripture, and then transcript and scribo. In means not, which is indescribable. And then we have got sub, which is down. From there which we have got this one called subscript. Pre is before, and this is where we have got prescribe, and D is well, that is describe is to explain something well. So this is what we have got in this video. All the words that you have learned over here is indescribable, proscribe, prescribe, descript, transcript. So what you have to do, you have to take 30 seconds so that आप इनको match कर लो यहाँ पे, and then I'm putting 30 second, I'm putting 30 second का यहाँ पे note so that आप इसको अच्छे से करो. So you have this 30 seconds, your time has started, and इनको match करके देखो कि आपको match हो रहा है क्या इस अलग से. So do it. All right, your time is over, guys. Your time is over. Now let us see the right answer. What it is, right? A written or printed version of a material originally presented in another medium. कौन सा है यहाँ पे? This is transcript. So this is the fifth one. Advise or authorize the use of a medium for someone, especially in writing, that is this one, prescribe. So this is the first one. Is that okay? Give detailed account in words of, that's the describe. The third one, too usual, extreme or indefinite to be adequately described, something which is indescribable, something which is indescribable. Maybe I did not write this one correctly. Advise or authorize, that is prescribe. So I should have written third over here, right? Prescribe, advise something, use of material. Give detailed account of something, that is describe. I should have written this. And forbid, especially by law, that's gonna be the second one, which is proscribe. So this is what we had in this video. I hope that you have learned these words very well and you will never ever forget them. In the next video, we will be talking about the difference between psychopath and sociopath. At the same time, we will be learning what's the meaning of empathy and pathology and words like antipathy. So I'm gonna see you in video number 6 of this series. Till then, bye bye and take care.